Hello again, everybody. My name is Christian, and in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to buy Lanceria, aka LANC, using trustwallet and also metamask. So let's get started. First of all, you need to deposit some fiat on your Binance account or whatever exchange you use. After that, you have to send your funds from Binance. You have to exchange them to BNB and then to send them back to your trust wallet. So for that, I'm going to show you right now how to do it. So first of all, you go to Binance. I'm going to use Binance because it's the fastest one for me. But you can use whatever exchange you want and you have. So let me connect to my account. Let's wait for the message. So once we are logged in, we want to go to fiat and spot. Now if you have funds, if you don't have funds, you should watch my other video where I explain how to deposit using credit card or bank transfer, how to deposit fiat on Binance. So I'm gonna do it again now because I don't have funds on the Binance because I withdraw them. So we go on the second option here. No, the first one, sorry. I don't want to buy crypto, I want just to deposit fiat. I choose bank and then let's deposit 15 euros with a, yeah, doesn't matter, let's choose this one, confirm. Also you can use, I got a question if it's possible to use Revolut to deposit money. Yes, it's working. You can use Revolut, or I'm not sure about the other payment application, but Revolut is working 100%, so no problems. So I confirmed my deposit. Okay, now after you have your euros in your account, see, let's make a full walkthrough. Yes, I have euros, as you can see, 15 euros. Now I go to markets and I want to change euro for BNB or BUSD. For the sake of the video, I'm gonna do BNB, so let's go here, or let's see where it is, euro and then BNB. Yeah, there you go. So now we want to buy some BNB. I'm gonna use the market price and then I'm gonna buy for the whole amount. Click buy, and now I just bought some BNB. As you can see now here I have roughly 0.04 BNB. So now what do you want to do next? Next you have to transfer this BNB to your trust wallet or metamask. For this example I'm gonna use BlueStacks, which is an Android emulator, and then because I use it because it's faster than using my phone. So we go to the trust wallet. Now here on trust wallet you just want to go on smart chain. If you don't have smart chain, you go here and then you search for smart chain and then you just click on this button so you have it in your wallet. Now you go back here, or if you don't have, you just have to click here, receive, and then there you go, you have your address. You copy the address. One thing that you should know is that every token based on BEP20 use the same wallet address. So this wallet address from here, which is as you can see this one, or if you click here, this address work for every token that is based on BEP20 or Binance Smart Chain network. So you don't have to worry about, I don't know, if you want to deposit any token like Lanceria or whatever token is on the smart chain, on the Binance, you can use just this wallet address, and because it's working for every token. So now we copy this address, we go back to Binance, and we click withdraw on the BNB. We input here we select the coin, because if you do withdrawal from another option, you don't have directly BNB, but you come here, you select BNB, and it's done. Here you choose on the network, you use Binance Smart Chain BEP20. You have to be sure that it's BEP20, otherwise you might lost your funds. Then you I will click max, because there you go. And then I'm gonna withdraw, confirm, continue. I will get 2 codes now, one on my phone, one on my email address. So let's insert the code 266388, and then the email code, 1 second. $422,739. We click submit, and then now it's done. It might take a few, it's not really instant, but yeah, I need 15 confirmation. It should arrive pretty fast to our wallet, but we're gonna wait for that to see how long it's gonna take. So I will be back once the deposit is confirmed. So there you go, I just received my money in my account, and now let's go and show you how to buy Lanceria. So first of all, once you are on this page and you have, if you deposit, I don't know, Bitcoin, or if you deposit BNB, but be sure you deposit BEP20 based tokens or coins, because it's gonna be easier for you, and you avoid a lot of fees. So for example, if you want to deposit directly BNB and not BNB Smart Chain, you select and you copy this address, which is a different address. But if you deposit BNB, you go to DEX, and then you select to change BNB for Smart Chain, and then you insert how much do you want to exchange, and then you can use the Smart Chain. But you also can use a different you can use BUSD to buy or something like that, but for the sake of the video, let's stick to this option with the simplest one, and let's go further. So once we have the funds, we go to dApps, we go down here, and you will see pancakeswap, otherwise you can write pancakeswap.finance. You have to connect your wallet, and then you connect your trust wallet, and it's done. So as you can see, here's my BNB balance, which is 0.0666, and then we are going to select the currency here. You won't find Lanceria on the first. If you write Lanceria, you won't find it. So what you have to do, you have to go to a browser, and then you go to CoinMarketCap or CoinGecko, doesn't matter what, and then you write here Lanceria. And now here, as you can see on the contract, you have the main contract of Lanceria. You copy this contract, and then you go back to pancakeswap, and you paste it here. You click import, you agree, and then there you go, you have the Lanceria token. And now for the sake of the video, let's say you buy 0.01 BNB, and then from this small wheel, here you can select the speed, how much gas do you want to pay, and also here's the slippage, which means is the tolerance, which you can translate into how much are you willing to lose, or at what price are you willing to buy, depending on the volume and on the volatility of the token. But because at this moment it's not so volatile, you can use 0.1, I guess, or in the worst case you can use 0.5%. and yeah, it doesn't have to buy at 0.5. Maybe it buys under or up to 0.5%. So with that being said, we select 0.5% to be sure, and then we click swap. And now here you have a preview. The price is like 14,938 LANC per BNB. We will receive a minimum of 148.6 LANC, and then this is the liquidity provider fee. We confirm swap, and now here we approve it and we close it. Always be sure to have some like $2 to $3, $4, $5 over your in your balance always, because you have to pay those fees and you don't want just to mess it up. So I think the transaction was confirmed, yes, and now we can switch and we can see that we just bought 149 LANC. Now we go back to our wallet, and I'm not sure if I have the LANC added. Yes, I have it. So as you can see, I bought 149 LANC. But if you don't see the token here, you can go here, you click on that button, and then you paste the address here. I have to connect again to my Trust wallet. So we go here, we paste the address, and then you won't see that, but you add the custom token here. So how do you add a custom token? I'm going to make a separate video for that, but for the moment you go to here, also on CoinMarketCap, you click on that, and then now you are on the BSC scan page and you have all the details about the token. You click here on the contract, and now we have to fill some here on Lanceria, and yeah, now we have to make some settings. So first of all, we need a contract which you already have. You paste here the contract. First select the network, which is Smart Chain, and then you paste the contract, and then the name is Lanceria. You paste it here. The symbol is LANC from here, and the decimals are 18. So we go like that, and then we are done. So now you can see you just added your custom token, and then you can see your token here, as you can see right here on your wallet. So that's it with a Trust wallet. Now we go to, in the part 2, we go into to buy with metamask, and I'm going to show you the same walkthrough system, but I'm going to transfer my tokens directly from Trust wallet to metamask. Basically the same system like you do with from Binance. So let's get into it. So now we are here and we want to buy with metamask. So first of all, you have to create a wallet, and then you have to add the network Smart Chain. If you don't know how to add the Smart Chain network, you go like that, you go on Google, and then you look for how to add Smart Chain to MetaMask, and then you're gonna have this page, academy.binance.com. You go down and you come here to you need the main net. So this is the main net, and you can have the test net. This is if you want to make tests or something like that. So for that, you go to custom RPC, the network name, you copy Smart Chain. So let me make 2 separate screens, because otherwise it's just gonna mess up everything. So like that, 1 second. Okay, so let's go back to, we click here on top, and then you go to the custom RPC, and then for the network name you could select this one in Smart Chain, and the URL, and then you paste it here. Here you can see that it's currently used by Smart Chain network, because I already have it, but for the sake of the video I'm going to show you how to do it. And then chain ID you copy and you paste it here, BNB, copy it here, and then the block explorer, which is the BSC scan, and then you click save, and then you have your network. Always be sure when you want to transfer money or BNB to your metamask wallet, be sure to be on the right network, otherwise you might lose your tokens. So for that, when you enter first time, your mainnet will be Ethereum, but now as you can see we have smart chain. We click on smart chain, and now we copy our address, and I'm gonna transfer some money from here, and then we click send. We paste our address amount 0.0, I don't know, 2, and then we click continue and then send. So the transaction should be pretty fast. It should work like in a matter of seconds. Yeah, so now we have our BNB, and now the process is almost the same process. So once we have the money in our metamask, we go on pancakeswap.finance. We connect our wallet, which is metamask on this time. Here we ask for permission. We click next and connect. Now we go to trade and select exchange, and here we all have the same situation like BNB, and now we want to change for LANC, which we will take this address and then we copy, we paste it here, we wait a few seconds, we click import, I understand, and we import the LANC, and now we will buy 0.01, and then here you select the same thing like the slippage and the speed of transaction. You click swap, confirm swap, and now you confirm again here, and now we just wait till we buy the token. Done. Now the transaction is confirmed. So now you go here, and on the assets page you see that I don't have my Lanceria token. So for that you go to add token, and basically you do the same thing like you did in Trust Wallet. You copy everything on that page. So for example, let's do a quick example here. So we go back to BSC scan token address of Lanceria, we click add token on the metamask, and now for the token address we copy this address, or you can copy this one or this one, is the same thing. And now for the token name is or no, we just need the symbol. Yeah, so metamask detect automatically everything, not every time, but you also can edit that and fix it. And then you click next, and as you can see is the token and the balance. Click add token, and now you should have it under the assets here. So basically that's it. This is how you buy Lanceria using metamask and Trust Wallet. If you have any problems doing that or any other concerns, please let me know down below in the comments, and I'm gonna try to answer as quick as possible so you can buy and hold your tokens. That's it for this video, and yeah, I'm gonna be back with another tutorial buying from other exchanges, and hopefully everything is gonna go well, and let's hope Lanceria will reach at least $10 by the end of 2022. Good luck everybody, and stay safe.